is Carly, and my favorite color is blue.
Okay.
So, got some crayons. Wow, we have some Legos. Look. Cards. More cards.
More cards. Do you know what those cards are called? Oh, what's that?
Play-Doh.
Yep.
And at the back, we have some shapes and some letters.
Good.
And one of the numbers. Splatter blocks. But I was about to say these are tiny blocks.
Counting blocks, yeah. So what do you do with those?
So I need some squares.
There you go.
I need 4 squares. And so I'm gonna be tracing these, and then I'm gonna do the Play-Doh over here.
Good.
And that was time for this. But I was gonna do these 3. It's time for the fun part.
All right.
The Play-Doh. Sign up for your free kit today.